She's so cute. I kiss you. That's a kiss again. Just kiss her. Just kiss her. She's so cute, Gracie. Look. It's our puppy. Oh my God.
Careful, she'll pee on that carpet.
I know. Oh, she's tiny. Don't give her a cookie. No, don't give her a cookie. She gonna fleas?
I don't think so.
Hi, Winnie. Oh.
Aww.
Lots of kisses. Just give her the kisses. Go through.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, that's enough.
That's
kisses.
enough.
That's enough kisses. Oh my God, she likes you, Gracie. He's holding up puppy. Here's kissing you. She's so little. What do you think we should call her? Where's her going? The bell's too big for her. Here, Winnie. She's crouching a lot.
Yeah, that's that's your puppy. Aw, okay.
She good. Can we take this off?
Yeah.
Now be careful. Don't kick her. Don't be careful, Casey. Ah, there we go. There we go. Now she's running around.
She hops like a little bunny.
Did she go outside at all?
She didn't. Okay.
Just a kiss her. Don't let her get your cookie. Don't let her get your cookie.
Oh, she loves Gracie, honey.
Okay, okay, okay. Easy.
Okay.
Nice, nice,
It
nice.
might be puppy overload.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay, honey. What's wrong?